Hello, I'm Antonia Avery. I'm from the US, from Idaho. Um, I am in the Creative Knitwear Workshop here. I just finished my bachelor's in fashion design here in Paris, so I really wanted to explore more deeply into knitwear. It's really been my passion, hand knitting throughout my past 4 years of studies, but not much on the machine. And I thought that would be a really good opportunity to come explore that, see the campus, see the school, meet new people, all of that type of stuff. I mean, I have a lot of friends that have come to the school for either their bachelor's or master's, and I've heard about the school by living here. And I was just on the website seeing kind of around what was to be offered for the master's, and then I saw the summer school programs. I was like, "Oh, cool, could be fun." And I saw there was one for knitwear, and yeah, I decided why not. Definitely, it's a very good campus. Like to me, I've seen a lot of different campuses in Paris, and a lot of them are not very modern, but it feels really modern here. Really cool. I love how it's on the Seine, just really good facilities and high tech, especially the machinery, all of that that's inside. I'm definitely impressed by it. I would definitely want to apply for a master's here in knitwear, especially after seeing everything here, especially the high tech machines and all of that. I think it really sparked my interest into knitwear and really going farther with it. It's always been kind of my dream, but I want to really continue that dream after, especially coming here and feeling really inspired. And it's just a lot of studio time and a lot of working. We're sitting at the machines. The first day or the first 2 days, I guess, we were taught different techniques, um, along with, of course, setting up the machines, how it all works, all of the technical little parts, but learning cool little different techniques to create cool textures, different patterns, the different types of yarns. And then after that, we kind of went into our own little personal projects of creating an accessory or a garment or some sort of object out of knitwear. Our amazing teacher comes around and kind of helps us out where we need. But it takes a long time as making garments or textiles does. So it's a lot of just creating, which I really enjoy. I think definitely if you have the idea to do it, if you have the inspiration, you should do it. Whether it's at the school or on your own or in the future trying to come to the school for summer school, whatever it is, uh, really push your creative instincts and learn. I think that education is a really important thing in life. And when you want to do something, you should just go for it. Uh, so I think it's definitely something that anyone should do if they're looking into the program.